Happy belated Mother's Day, Mom.
Thank you. I like it. I can eat all of it?
Yes.
Okay, I will eat all of it. Don't eat all of it. I like it because...
Hi friends, it's Sarah here from the Toast Sisters. As you can see, Katie's not right here, but she's actually right behind the camera, so don't worry, she's still part of this. So we had a discussion of what we want Flavor Finesse, which is our cooking show, to look like. And we decided that our previous episodes were a little too cheesy. We were using our customer service voice, but we actually want you guys to get to know us more. So we're gonna try out this new format where it's gonna be more intimate. So for this episode, we're thinking to make spicy cheesy cornbread for our mom, because for Mother's Day, we weren't able to take her out to a restaurant since everything was closed. We know she loves this cornbread because she actually looks for it at Whole Foods. Unfortunately, last time we went to Whole Foods, they didn't have it anymore. But thankfully, Whole Foods actually posted a recipe for a cornbread on their website, which we'll link it to in the description below. But we're gonna make it a little different because it's not cheesy and spicy. So we're gonna substitute some ingredients. Okay, let's see how we're gonna make this cornbread. First off, the recipe tells us to preheat the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We actually don't use an oven, we use a toaster oven, but if you're using an oven, please go ahead and do that. Pour a little olive oil into our pan, and we're gonna use a paper towel and, swipe around. We store our flour in an old container for noodles, but don't worry, we labeled it all-purpose flour, so we know.
It's an Asian thing.
Yeah, it's an Asian thing to reuse all your containers. Recycle. So if you don't want to contaminate a bowl, you just use a spoon and put it in the measuring cup.
To make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing.
What the frick? Katie, help me with the sugar. Oh, never mind.
I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things.
So mixing all the dry ingredients together. So let's put the dry ingredients aside. So we're gonna mix the wet ingredients.
Don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. No name might be too much.
Cut off these little parts because I really don't ever eat them.
I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile.
How I like to mince vegetables in general is cut them into strips first. The thin strips. Look at that. Be careful with your fingers.
Let's go to an art museum. I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming and thank you for trying to do anything to make me smile.
half a cup already. I measured it. Just put this in there. And just like, let's mix in the corn. Yum. So we're gonna put this into the oven/toaster oven now. Okay, we got our mom here to try the cornbread we made for her. Mom, you like the cornbread from Whole Foods, right?
Yeah, I like it, yeah.
Okay, so we made this for you. Can you give it a try and tell me what you think?
It looks good, looks delicious, but I have to try, okay?
Okay.
Let me try, okay? Let me try one piece.
You could be honest.
Not too bad. Seems like Whole Foods, you know, the same cake. I like it.
It tastes similar?
Yeah, it tastes similar.
Okay, that's good.
Mm.
Okay, happy belated Mother's Day, Mom.
Thank you. I like it. I can eat all of it?
Yes.
Okay, I will eat all of it. Don't eat all of it. I like it because.
Can you tell our viewers to hit the like button? Tell them to give us a like.
Oh, yeah, it's good. I like it.
No,
No. Say like, oh, remember to give this video a like.
Okay, remember, give this video a like, okay?
Yeah, and tell them to subscribe.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, bye. You can say bye, Mom.
Bye. It's so good. Bye bye.